Morning guys, welcome back to Mac Farms. We're out here doing you know what, mowing. I know I've done a lot of videos this year about mowing, and it's not just because we got a new mower, it's just that that's mostly what I've been doing. I haven't been doing a whole lot of raking or anything else, but I do have another video coming up later in the week, which will be before this one, I guess, obviously, of not mowing. So anyway, I'm not gonna dwell too much on this this mowing portion of the video. Anyway, hopefully this will be a complete package, but I just wanted to make a point and show you guys this. This is the field that we cleared last year. It's, gee, I can't even remember what it was, 6-8 acres, something like that. So anyway, this is the first time ever mowing this piece. This was all woods, you know, 2 years ago, and now it's a farm field, so we're gonna mow all this. If anything exciting happens, I'll let you guys know. Otherwise, I'll just check in when we're done. Deer flies are crazy as I expected. Here's the corn behind me. This is the last stuff we planted. It's not very high yet, but it's growing. Fair bit of misses on the one piece. We had some problems with the planter, which I don't think I really got into, but anyway, it is what it is. A few 60-inch rows of corn instead of 30, but whatever. So yeah, here we go. Well, I got a couple rounds done. I never did the outside round yet. I'll do that later. Got pretty good sized windrows coming out of this thing. This is all pretty good Timothy on this piece. You see it's pretty much dragging under the tractor. But I got the mower set so it throws it out and kind of as wide as possible to get it to dry. So that's kind of what's up. Well, I got her all mowed. As you can see, this is actually the dirt field, as you guys that have been watchers of the channel for a long time will remember. And this is the new piece in this general area. So again, I'm not 100% sure the acreage of it. I know the dirt field is around 6 acres. I think the new piece was 6 or 8 acres too, or something like that. So yeah, it took a little bit of time to mow, but we got her done. Pretty good crop on the new field, and really good crop on the dirt field. So pretty weird shape with that swamp there in the middle, but it is what it is. So catch up to you guys when we're tending it, maybe. Well, Dad just started tedding out this piece. It's a couple days later now since the last mowing clip. We had the hoof trimmer here yesterday, so we didn't have time to go out and ted it. We would have liked to, but we just didn't have time. So he just started, just making the first round. It's actually about 1.5 kilometers to go around the perimeter of this piece. It's just a weird shape anyway, but it's 13 acres. It's a bit lighter up on the outside round, and then as you get in further, it's not too bad. Then there's a kind of a bare patch right in there. I'm not sure what's up with that. But down in the dirt field area of it, it's a real heavy crop down there. So pretty happy with it overall. You can see Dad there coming up. We'll try and catch him a little bit more here, and yeah. I guess we'll leave Dad to it. He's got his work cut out for him. He chickened out on doing the whole thing at once. I think he's just doing half of it by the looks of it. I don't know if he'll finish one half and then do the other half or what, but it's a long ways around. It takes a while to get around. So anyway, that's his plan, I guess. So we'll meet you guys back here when it's time to rake. Hey guys, we're out here baling and raking today. We actually did half of it yesterday. As you can see behind me, there's some bales, but we are out here going to finish it off today. We got some weather coming here over the weekend, so got to get her done. Uncle's here with the 4253 running the Massey 1745 baler. This is the dirt field portion. This is the field that we cleared maybe 5 years ago or something like that, not sure. And then the piece that we did that's behind me was the piece that was cleared last year through the summer, and this is the first crop ever off of it, because it was just woods before that. I think we got about 30 bales off it or something like that. So, you know, 30 bales on I forget what it was now, 6.5, 7 acres, something like that. So it's not bad for the first time ever. I think Dad forgot to fertilize it too, so that didn't help, but whatever. It is what it is. A lot of sticks and rocks and stuff in it. That's just the way it is when you clear land. You're gonna get a lot of crap in the bales, so you wouldn't dare chop it for the first few years anyway. But battling wind a little bit here with the windrows, kind of chasing them around. You can probably hear in the mic the wind coming through, but anyway, it is what it is. So here's a few video clips and whatnot of baling and raking, I guess. So I'll try to answer a few questions that I expect will come up. Some of you may have. So this is one of our bales. The baler is a 1745 Massey Ferguson Heston round baler. Very basic baler, but it does the trick for us. We only make 150, 200 round bales a year just to feed the heifers. Spits out a 4x5 round bale, as you can see here. I assume it's about 5 feet, give or take, you know, should be about that. But I would say they're probably around 500 or 600 pounds. I mean, I don't know for sure. It's hard to move. Let's say 600 pounds. So we're averaging on the hay ground about 10 bales to the acre. The last piece we did, we got, I think, maybe 12 or 13 bales to the acre, but we'll call it, you know, 3 to 4 ton of dry hay per acre, which isn't too bad. I mean, some guys probably get more and some get less, but we only do one cut and that's what we get. Just need it to feed the heifers through the winter, well, all year round really, so we don't really worry about, you know, quality so much. A lot of guys will cut, you know, just as the Timothy's starting to head out or whatever, to get the best quality hay, you know, if you're feeding horses or whatever, but we don't worry about that crap. Because you're just feeding heifers, it doesn't really matter that much. That's still pretty good quality stuff as far as I'm concerned. This is all Timothy hay in these pieces. The piece, I think we got 34 bales on 2.8 acres, but that was a lot of that reed canary grass, which isn't so good. But it's just a piece that probably should be reseeded. But anyway, hopefully that answers some inevitable questions that might come up.